Hi, my name is Thomas and you're watching Casual DIY channel. In today's video we're gonna make a live edge mirror. Check out the video. I wanted to make a mirror like this for a very long time. Obviously it's not my idea, it's been on the internet for absolute ages, and now it's time for me to actually make one that's gonna hang in my house. So I've got beautiful two pieces of cherry live edge cherry boards. They're a little bit too thick for this project, and obviously they still got bark, so we need to get rid of the bark, clean them up and take it to the right dimensions. And now it's time to cut the boards to the correct size, and after that we're gonna go on to the thicknesser to make sure both of the boards are the same thickness. Right then, so we've got our boards cut to the right sizes and obviously with the correct thickness as well. So the reason for this project, I actually had a mirror lying about in our attic, a little bit too large for my needs, so I cut it to the right size. Saying cut it, it was a very tough journey for me, to be fair, and the cuts, the ends are definitely not perfect, but for my needs, for my home, I don't think you're going to be able to notice them at all. So yes, I've not shown you how to cut a mirror because, well, I'm definitely not the specialist in that. So that's the mirror I'm going to be using, and now the next step, what we need to do is actually cut out a rabbet in these two pieces of wood that will allow for the mirror to actually be flush with the rest of it. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Okay, so the rabbet in the boards is now sorted, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how it fits all with the mirror itself. So as you can see, nice and flush. So the next job is actually sound these boards down. I'm going to go up to 200 grit. Alright, so both of the pieces are now sanded nicely, and how we're going to secure this. I'm going to be using 5-minute epoxy to actually glue the glass, the mirror, to the pieces of wood, but obviously that is not enough. What I'm going to use also, I'm going to use a 12mm plywood. I'm going to do two support pieces that I will screw at the back of the mirror, combining the both pieces together. And what we're going to use to actually hang this mirror, obviously it will weigh a bit. So the best thing to do is to use a French cleat. And for that I'm going to be using 18mm ply. Okay, and it's now time to finish all the pieces. And what I'm going to be using, Osmopolix oil. I find that to have a really nice finish, and for this particular project it will give me the durability and protection from moisture as well. So let's whack it on. I'm going to do 2 coats. Right then, and now it's time to put the mirror together. And to do that, I'm going to be using a 5-minute epoxy. I had really good results with these, so I've continued to use them on multiple projects. And then as we have done the braces, the support beams that will actually hold the whole mirror together. But let's start with the resin. So as you can see, I've installed the French cleat on the wall, and now it's time to hang our mirror, which is absolutely that simple. Looks absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this little project. I think it's such a simple thing to do, as long as you've got a mirror that is cut to the right size, because I have to say I struggled a little bit with that. But as you can see, really that simple to do, and it adds something really special to any room. And imagine if you had a really large slab, you can make a massive beautiful mirror as well for your entrance hall, anything like that. The possibilities are endless. Such a simple thing to do, but it really is absolutely stunning. I also wanted to thank you all my patrons that currently are supporting me. Here's the list of these beautiful people that decided to support me. Thank you very much for doing so. If you want to support me directly via Patreon, I will drop a link down below in the comment section, and as always in every description of my video. Your help is really crucial to, well, me making more videos, and obviously having the cash for materials and other things like the tools and all that, so I can bring you new content. But for now, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.